Hello students, today I am going to start my first math classes. That is my part 1 math class for 5th, 6th and 7th graded students, and I wish that all the students will follow my classes nicely. And today I want to teach my first chapter, that is the polygon. And before I explain the polygon, first I will tell you what is the straight line, curved line, and straight line, curved line, closed figure and open figure. First, I'm drawing straight line. Moving a pencil with a straight edge, we are getting the straight line. Suppose here AB is a straight line. Straight line. And moving a pencil with curved edge, we are getting curved line. Suppose PQR is a curved line. Okay. AB is a straight line, and PQR is a curved line. Now, closed figure. A closed figure is a figure in which the starting point and the end point are the same is called the closed figure. Suppose a figure, this one, the starting point and the closed figure, a closed point both are same. The starting point and the end point both are same is called the closed figure. Here also starting point, this is the starting point, and the end point both are same is the closed figure. Here also this is the starting point and the end point both are same, it is the closed figure. Closed figure cannot be intersect each. Suppose here it is closed figure, starting point and end point both are here, but it intersect here, so it is not a closed figure. Here also starting point and the end point both are same, but intersect here, it is also not closed figure. This is the difference between the closed figure and now open figure. In a figure, the starting point and the end point are not same. That means it is closed figure. Here starting point and the end point are not same. It is the open figure. Now I will start my chapter polygon. What is polygon? A closed figure which is formed of 3 or more than 3 line segments is called polygon. Here 2 line segment I have drawn, but with this 2 line segment it is not forming any polygon or triangle, so that I have to take more one side. Now it become a triangle or polygon. So the definition of polygon, a closed figure which is formed of 3 or more than 3 line segments is called the polygon. Suppose ABC is a polygon, means triangle. Here PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral, that is also polygon. Now, what is vertices? Two sides of a polygon meeting in a point means meeting point of two sides of a polygon is called vertices. This side and this side, these two sides meet at a point this. That means this is the vertex. Vertex of A, B, C is the vertices. A, B, C is a vertices of the triangle. Same as P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S here the vertices of the quadrilateral. Now adjacent sides. When two sides meeting in a point means common point of two sides of a polygon is called the vertices. Adjacent sides means here AB, AC are the adjacent sides. AB, AC, AB, BC, BC, AC, like this. Here PQ, PQ, PS, PS, RS, like this. These are the adjacent sides. Now, the polygons. Here, polygons. This is three sides polygons. Triangle. Four sides polygon, that is quadrilateral. Five sides polygon is pentagon. So six sides no need to draw more, just I will write six side hexagon, seven side polygon is heptagon, eight side polygon is octagon. Now nine sides polygon is nonagon and 10 side polygon is decagon. Now, without triangle, all the polygons can be concave or convex both. Without triangle, all the polygons can be concave and concave and convex. Suppose this quadrilateral, this is the convex quadrilateral, convex quadrilateral, and here this is the concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. So what is the difference between the concave and convex quadrilateral? In pentagon also, or in other polygon also, in convex polygon, all the diagonals inside the polygon, and in concave polygon, some of the diagonals inside the polygon and some of the diagonals outside the polygon. This is the difference between the convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilateral. Okay. Today up to this much. On the next day, I will explain about the triangle. Means on the next day I will explain about the polygon triangle. And I wish that all the students will like and subscribe and follow my channel. And this my channel name is the Maths for Intelligence. And again I am saying, I wish all the students will like and subscribe my channel.